Today I'm going to be creating a PowerPoint presentation. After opening PowerPoint, you will have multiple options to start with. I am going to start with the blank presentation. Once you get to the blank presentation, your first slide will be a title page. Click on the title page and begin typing your title and subtitle. After creating your title and subtitle, select your title and you can choose to change your font to any of these following themes. After choosing your font, you can also change the text size. Over here are the options to make it bold, italic, or underline your text. You can also change the color of your text under the font color section. You can choose either theme colors or standard colors. You can also do the same thing with your subtitle. Once you have chosen your font size and are satisfied with your first slide, you may go over to the new slide area and choose what slide you would like to come next. Here are your different options to choose from. After your second slide, you can continue to click on the new slides to make more slides until you are satisfied with the number of slides. Once you have your number of slides that you want, you can go to the Insert button and insert pictures, shapes, icons, or even video or audio, and you can do screen recording. After you're through inserting your items, you can go over to the design area and pick your theme for your slides. Once you have picked your theme, you can change the color of your theme. Next, click Transitions and click number 1. You can choose any of these transitions to start your slides off with. After you've picked your transition for the first one, continue to number 2 and pick your next one, and continue on until each of your slides has the transition that you prefer. After you're through with your transitions, you can go to the slideshow and click From Beginning. After clicking From Beginning, click your left mouse button or the next arrow, and it will take you page by page through your PowerPoint presentation. Once you get to the end, you can click yet again the left mouse button and exit. If you are satisfied, you have now created your slideshow.